In this video, we dive deep into the powerful debt snowball method, a proven strategy to conquer your debts and pave the way towards financial freedom. Join us as we break down the step-by-step process of the debt snowball method, designed to help you tackle multiple debts effectively. We'll guide you through the process of listing your debts, prioritizing them, and creating a solid plan for repayment. Start by making a comprehensive list of all your debts, including credit cards, personal loans, student loans, car loans, and any other outstanding balances. Note down the current balance, minimum monthly payment, and interest rate for each debt. This ordering will help you focus on paying off smaller debts first, gaining momentum, and creating a sense of accomplishment as you eliminate them one by one. Establish a realistic budget by evaluating your income and expenses. Allocate as much money as possible to debt repayment while ensuring you cover essential living expenses. Cut back on non-essential spending to free up extra cash for debt payments. While concentrating on paying off the smallest debt, continue making minimum monthly payments on all other debts. This ensures you stay current on all accounts and avoid penalties or late fees. Take the surplus money from your budget and put it towards paying off the smallest debt on your list. Apply this extra payment in addition to the minimum payment you are already making. Focus all your efforts on eliminating this debt as quickly as possible. Once you've paid off the smallest debt, celebrate your victory. Acknowledge the progress you've made and the momentum you've gained. This sense of achievement will motivate you to continue on your debt-free journey. Now that the smallest debt is paid off, take the entire amount you were paying towards it, both the minimum payment and the extra amount, and apply it to the next debt on your list. This snowball effect will increase the amount you can put towards the next debt, accelerating its repayment. Keep repeating the process of paying off one debt after another, applying the previous debt's payment to the next one on the list. As you progress, the amount you can put towards each debt will grow, making it easier to tackle larger debts. Debt snowball method throughout your debt-free journey. It may take time, but as you pay off each debt, you'll feel more empowered and motivated to keep going. Finally, after you've paid off all your debts using the debt snowball method, celebrate your debt freedom. Enjoy the financial security and peace of mind that come with being debt-free. Take the lessons you've learned during this process to maintain healthy financial habits for the future. Remember, the debt snowball method is not about focusing solely on interest rates, but rather on building momentum and motivation through small victories, which can lead to significant debt reduction over time. Stick to your plan, stay disciplined, and watch as your debt burden gradually diminishes.